ball in hand and you're trying to create something.
It's a no ball and it's been smashed for 4. It's a no ball as well. We're going to have a free hit here.
He's only 3 away from the fastest E-zone 50 this season. It's 23 courtesy of Munro and Darren Sammy, and he's going to screen past that. Then he faced 17, and Wahab, well, I'm sorry, Chief, that should be 2 no balls.
He's had enough. That's a Guardian Group live easy moment right there. Oh, he was asleep, poor little fella. Oh, he's had enough. Right, he's got 1 ball here. Evan Lewis, if he hits a 4 here, if he gets 3, well, let's say 4, he doesn't deal in 3s. If he gets a 4, he equals the fastest CPL 50 of all time. Oh, it's a slow bouncer. It's a no ball. Well, that's disappointing for Evan Lewis. It's the second one way over the head. So that's another no ball. The fastest CPL 50 of all time was 18 balls by Sohail Tomvir for the Zouks against the Tridents, St. Lucia in 2014. That was 18 balls. Lewis on that ball had to hit it for 4. Got a chance this time, I suppose. Oh my goodness, that is stratospheric. It's a 50 from Evan Lewis. You've never seen the ball hit so clean as this. It's a 6 hero maximum, and it's just a privilege to be here to watch it.
Absolutely, Alan Wilkins. Wow. So clean, and they're all smiling in the Patriots dugout. In his arc, the length is there, and over the Greenwich and Haynes stand, and out south, down the road. Celebration time for the teammates. Take a bow, Evan Lewis.
Look. And it's, well, this is going to cost more than the match fees, the supply of cricket balls.
Now, Evan Lewis has hit the 3 balls out of the park.